How to play TikTok videos continuously. To get started, first of all, open up the App Store on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the search icon. Here you can browse and search for games, apps, stories, and more. Now, go to the search bar and search for TikTok. Once you are here, tap on Update. Wait for the app to update. Once updated, tap on Open to open up the application. You are now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, tap and hold the screen to open this window. You can view the available sharing options and other settings from here. Now swipe left and tap on Auto Scroll as shown. Videos will now play automatically on TikTok. You can go back to manual scroll anytime by tapping on the manual scroll icon at the top. Following these steps, you can easily play TikTok videos continuously.